Yeah, welcome back to the show. This is called Oh Is It? So what do we talk about this morning, Roger?
A very special icon in the Pacific community. His name is Peter Maivia. Hi, Chief Peter Maivia.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
bro.
Yeah, big round of applause. Yeah.
You know, some people don't know this, but he's actually Dwayne The Rock Johnson's grandfather.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, what happened was they were wrestling down here in New Zealand on the Met. That's Peter and Dwayne's father, Rocky Johnson Sr. And Rocky spot his Peter's daughter, and he thinks she's beautiful.
Oh,
and
yeah, she is.
one thing lead to another, and then before you know it, they marry, and they have Dwayne, and they all grow up, and Dwayne grow up in Kraylin.
Oh,
It is.
Totally. Yeah, it says he was begin wrestling, and within a year, he was the New Zealand champion when he beat Steve Rickard. This is in 1964.
Yeah.
So he wasn't even in the game for 1 year, and he was
Rickard.
already beat the New Zealand champion
Yeah.
to take the title. So,
He's a
it's
natural.
pretty amazing.
He's a natural. He's a natural. Let's face it. He's a
That's
natural.
Incredible.
I just done some more research and it said
Yeah,
that
yeah.
in the same year he won the Australian title, beating a guy called Kangaroo Kenny in Auckland.
Oh, that's
For the Aussie
unbelievable.
title. Man, he's like Australian champion
Yeah.
and New Zealand champion.
He's a very pioneer in wrestling. He was a very good role model for the Pacific Island people.
Oh, is it? Oh, it's funny. I should know this thing because he's related to my mother's father's brother's son.
Oh, true.
So yeah, he's
Oh.
connected to a relative of mine. So,
Oh,
me.
that's amazing.
you know, this is why so many popular and successful wrestlers these days, like Roman Reigns and that, it's
Yeah.
all
Oh,
Samoan,
yes.
all come from the same family.
Umanga and all those
so you
guys.
can see it's obvious the genetic pool there is they're
Oh,
gifted. You know, that's
yeah.
why I'm related. You can see in my body we are definitely related because you know it's a great physique.
okay.
And I was gonna be great too in the wrestling, but you know I was injured, and everything's changed. And, that's why I working in the podcast now. Yeah. Anyway,
Take care, Uncle.
moving forward. Tune in next week for another fantastic podcast on Oh Is It?
Carlo fight.
Thank you. Catch you next week.
Oh, no, I didn't know that about you.
Oh, thank
I'm sure you would have been a very success.
Yeah, sorry about that. I just get a little bit emotional sometimes. Yeah.